Hi, this is a tutorial on 4.6C1. We're basically going to be writing percents as a fraction in simplest form. Let's take a look at 35%. Well, the first thing we need to do, we're going to go backwards here. We're going to go from a percent to a decimal to a fraction. So 35%, if you move that decimal two places, you've got well, let me start up here. Here's 25%. This is the most important one to understand. 25% as a decimal, well, we have to remove the decimal with the percent sign. We move the decimal two places to the left. We're really dividing. So now we divide by 100, we have 0.25. And everybody knows that 25% is 0.25. Then we put our pencil on the decimal, make it into a fraction bar, put a 0 under each digit, and put a 1 in front of the whole thing. Now we have a fraction. Now, that is not in simplest form, so we have to divide both the top and the bottom by 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. And that's how we get from a percent to a decimal to a fraction. So we're going to go from percent to a decimal to a fraction in simplest form. Okay, so 35 is 0.35, and I'll just make that into 35 100ths. Then to make that as a fraction in simplest form, I can divide both of those by 5. 35 divided by 5 is going to be 7. Again, you can use your calculator to do this. 100 divided by 5 is 20. Now, if I look at 7/20ths there, 7 is prime number. The only things that go into 7 are 1 and 7. And none of those, well, I mean, 1 goes into 20, but nothing larger than 1 is common or shared. So 7/20ths is in simplest form. Here's 18%. Let's do the same thing. This becomes 0.18 as a decimal. Okay, my pencil here, make it into a fraction bar, 0 under each digit, 1 in front of the whole thing. Okay, I can divide, these are both even numbers, I can divide them both by 2. 18 divided by 2 gets me 9. 100 divided by 2 equals 50. Well, let's think about 50 and 9. The factors for 9 are 1, 3, and 9. None of those go into, none of the factors other than 1 go into 50. So this is in simplest form right here. All right, I'll let you do the other 4. Let's take a look down here at the second section. Write each percent as a fraction in simplest form. Oh, actually it's the exact same thing. Let's see if there's any toughies down here. Well, here's the toughie. The toughie is number 21. Because everybody's going to say that this is 0.5. Here's 5%. We still have to move the decimal two places and put the placeholder in. So we have 0.05. Okay. Fraction bar, 0 under each digit, 1 in front of the whole thing. We have 5 100ths. You can divide that by 5, both of them. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 100 divided by 5 is 20. And that's in simplest form. Whenever we have a 1 in the numerator position, we are in simplest form. Okay? All right. I'll do one more. 90%. Okay, move it 2. We have 0.90. Make that into a fraction bar, 0 under each digit, 1 in front of the whole thing. We have 90 100ths. I can divide by 10 just by crossing zeros out. I have 9/10. And that is in simplest form, 9/10. Not a very good 9, but you're used to me. All right, I'll fix it. The overachiever in me. Here we go, 9/10. It's still not going to win any awards, but it's 9. Good luck. Bye.